Hello, this video is going to walk you through our final critical thinking project for Excel. So the two documents you're going to need for this assignment is one, the final project Excel direction sheet PDF, as well as the movies spreadsheet. Both of these documents you should be able to split your screen so that you can see both and work at the same time. So the first thing you're going to do is resave it as movies and then your name, and make sure that you're placing this in your computer literacy folder or your desktop so you can easily access it while working on it in class. You are then going to type 10 highest grossing movies of 2019 in um, cell A1. And then remember, you will merge and center. That can be found under the Home tab. Under alignment, you have your merge and center. You're making one huge cell in from A1 to D1. Then you're going to type in A2 movies. Then in B2 the gross, domestic gross, and then in C2 you will type your release date. Now, I've already gone ahead and added all of this information in for you, so you will not have to type it up. Next, then you're going to do some formatting, bolding and centering. You'll be resizing the column widths to make sure that all the information is showing. Make sure that you go up in between the two column letters to adjust your width, either going to the left or to the right. And you can also do that again in between the heights as we discussed in class. You will also be creating formulas for the total, average, max, and min that we've been doing in class. Remember, the formulas are under formulas, and then the auto sum function, and all of your formulas are listed under there. You will also change the formatting to currency, so make sure that you do that. You will also be doing some shading based on what colors are provided to you. And if you scroll all the way down in the final project, you'll get an example of what yours should look like when you have finished. If you have any questions during class, please reach out to me and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Good luck.